How's it going? Vlog number who knows when. We have a bit of an interesting project today. A friend of mine has a Honda Civic, bit of an older model, not that old, but you know, I think it's like in the 90s somewhere. And his car had a bit of an accident, currently getting it fixed up, new lights, not new lights, sorry, new front bumper, new fenders, all that kind of stuff. And he's doing a bit of work to the car, and while we've got it standing, we're also gonna have a look at his lights. So, as you can see here, I currently have his lights sitting. Now, they're not in the worst condition in the world, but they're definitely not good. And you can see somebody did have some like amber tint going on here before he owned the car. You can see in general it's just very, very hazy. They're just not looking too good. Condition all around of the headlights are just a bit rough, but it's not that bad. This side on the other hand, a little bit worse. It's missing its clips. Not only is it missing its clips, this clip as well is also glued on, so that's not great. And it's got a crack over here and over here. Now I get that replacing the headlights could be possibly cheaper, but I'm doing him a favor and fixing these ones up for him, or at least I'm going to try. There's no harm in trying, right? And yeah, we're gonna have some fun with it. Also a little bit of that orange tint type thing going on this side. So I'm going to open these bad boys up, clean the lenses, and we're gonna paint them black. I might throw up an image of what my goal is, but I just wanted to show you guys what we're dealing with and a bit of context. So let's have at it. Alright, a little bit of an update. Got the lights open, no problems actually. These lights look like they've been opened before, judging on the damage as well, but that, I don't know, I guess it's silicone. I'm not entirely sure, but the lights were resealed, so it made it quite easy to open. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a look here. So you can see here the lenses. I mean, now that they're off, it's not too bad, but I definitely think I'm going to need to clean both sides of the lenses. That's going to be a really tedious part of it, but you know, we'll get there. So that's that. And then these are the inside chrome bits. I didn't actually know that these lights had like an interior chrome bit. I thought it was more of like, well, my thought was that this chrome bit was seated on the light on itself, the actual housing, but it isn't. Let me grab the correct one. So something like that. I thought this was attached over here somehow, and then you would remove it. But it's not the end of the world. Actually very similar to a Polo then, because the Polo is the exact same. So we're going to clean these bad boys up, hit them with some paint, and then while they're drying, we're going to tackle the lenses and then clean the lenses. And then my last project for this, I'm going to have to get some kind of plastic weld of sorts, maybe even something a bit more hardcore, to reseat this piece of plastic in here, because this fits perfectly in there. You can see that crack lines up really well, and we want to put that back in because this thing's definitely going to need something to fasten it on top. And then we can also fix all these cracks. So I think we should be good, but I don't know how long something like that will take to dry. So I think we are looking at about a 2 to 3 day repair maybe. But yeah, so I'm going to start by cleaning these these little chrome bits and then paint them. So we got the covers painted, came out really good actually, super happy with it for the first attempt. There were some non-perfect parts here and there, but I don't think it'll be a big deal once the lenses and everything are on. So at least we got that painted and chilling now. I'm probably going to hit it with another coat eventually, but I'm going to stop with the lenses so long. I'm just going to pop these bad boys to the side to dry. But I think compared to how they looked, it's already 1,000 times better, and it's going to add a lot more aggression to the car. And this, if anybody's wondering whether or not we were going to use those, indicator isn't a big deal because we're going to be putting DRLs that are going to run from this side over here all the way along to that side in these lights, and they're going to flow when he indicates. So it's nothing, you know, it's nothing serious. It's going to be much better if we have that, and I think it's going to look a lot nicer as well.